ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എൻട്രൻസ് ഓഫ് എ ഡ്രഗ് ഇൻ ടു ബ്ലഡ് സർക്കുലേഷൻ ഈസ് കാൾഡ് ഡാഷ്. എൻട്രൻസ് ഓഫ് എ ഡ്രഗ് ഇൻ ടു ബ്ലഡ് സർക്കുലേഷൻ ഈസ് കാൾഡ് അബ്സോർപ്ഷൻ. Second question, adrenaline is given in bronchial asthma by dash. Adrenaline is given in bronchial asthma by subcutaneous injection. Next question, which of the following is a diuretic? Option furosemide, chlorothiazide, spironolactone, all the above. Here the correct answer, all the above. Next question, methotrexate is dash. Correct answer, methotrexate is an anti-malignant. Anti-cancer drug is otherwise known as anti-malignant or anti-neoplastic drug. Any drug that is effective in the treatment of malignant or cancerous disease. There are several major classes of anti-cancer drug. These include alkylating agent, antimetabolites, natural products and hormones. Cyclophosphamide, cisplatin, melphalan are some examples of alkylating agent used in the treatment of cancer. Methotrexate, 5-fluorouracil, gemcitabine are antimetabolites. These are also used in the treatment of cancer. Examples of natural products used in the treatment of cancer are etoposide, paclitaxel, vincristine. Anti-tumor antibiotics example bleomycin, doxorubicin, daunorubicin. Some hormonal agents are also used in the treatment of cancer. These include glucocorticoids, estrogens, progestin, anti-androgens. Some miscellaneous drugs are also used in the treatment of cancer. These are arsenic trioxide, hydroxyurea, L-asparginase. Some signal transduction inhibitors such as imatinib and gefitinib are also used in the treatment of cancer. Next question, heparin is an anticoagulant given by dash. Correct answer, heparin is an anticoagulant which is given by parenteral route. Next question, which type of purgative is castor oil? Castor oil is a irritant purgative. Next question, amyl nitrate pearls are administered by which route? Here the correct answer, amyl nitrate pearls are administered by inhalation. Next question, a local anesthetic agent is dash. Here the correct answer, local anesthetic agent is procaine hydrochloride. Classification of local anesthetic include esters and amides. Cocaine, chloroprocaine, procaine and tetracaine are the examples of esters. Bupivacaine, lidocaine, ropivacaine, etidocaine and mepivacaine are examples of amides. Next question, fluoroquinolines are excellent agent for dash. Option UTI infection, malaria, amoebiasis, typhoid. Fluoroquinolines are excellent agent for, correct answer, urinary tract infection or UTI infection. Fluoroquinoline antibiotics are a large group of broad-spectrum bactericidal antibiotics which act by inhibiting two enzymes involved in bacterial DNA synthesis. Cyanoxacin, nalgesic acid, oxolinic acid. These are first generation quinolones which are effective against gram-negative bacteria but not effective against Pseudomonas. Second generation quinolones are norfloxacin, ciprofloxacin and ofloxacin which are effective against gram-negative bacteria including Pseudomonas. It is also effective against some gram-positive bacteria such as Salmonella aureus. levofloxacin, sparfloxacin, moxifloxacin and gemifloxacin are third generation quinolones. This spectrum is same as second generation. Extended gram-positive coverage and expanded activity against atypical pathogens. Fourth generation quinolones include trovafloxacin and gatifloxacin. Its spectrum is same as third generation, that is, it is effective against gram-negative including Pseudomonas and also effective against gram-positive bacteria such as Salmonella aureus. It have broad anaerobic coverage. Next question, enalapril maleate is dash. Correct answer, enalapril maleate is antihypertensive agent. Enalapril is an example of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor or ACE inhibitors. Benazepril, captopril, fosinopril, lisinopril, perindopril, quinapril. These are also angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. This used for the treatment of hypertension. Next question. The drug used in the treatment of peptic ulcer is dash. Here the correct answer, all the above, because famotidine, ranitidine and cimetidine are used for the treatment of peptic ulcer. Next question, polythiouracil is used as a dash. Here the correct answer, polythiouracil is used as a diuretic. Next question, hypertension is treated by one of the following drug. Here the correct answer, propranolol is antihypertensive. Propranolol is a non-selective lipid-soluble beta blocker. Next question, imipramine is used as dash. Imipramine is used as dash. Here the correct answer, imipramine is used as antidepressant. Imipramine is a less sedative tricyclic antidepressant. Antidepressant drugs are classified into three types: tricyclic antidepressant, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, monoamino oxidase inhibitors. First type is tricyclic antidepressant, which act by inhibit reuptake of neurotransmitters from synaptic cleft. According to its action, it is again classified into two types: sedative and less sedative. Amitriptyline, clomipramine, trimipramine, dothipine, doxepin, meanserin, neprotalin, thiazidone. These are sedative. Nortriptyline, imipramine, lofepramine, amoxapine. These are less sedative. Third division is monoamino oxidase inhibitors. These are also used for the treatment of depression. These are subdivided into monoamino oxidase inhibitors type A and monoamino oxidase inhibitors type B. Monoamino oxidase inhibitors type A is subdivided into two types: reversible type and irreversible type. Beclobamide is an example of reversible inhibitor, and phenelcine isocarboside, tranylcipramine. These are examples of irreversible inhibitors. Selgiline and paragiline. These are examples of monoamino oxidase inhibitors type B. In conclusion, monoamine oxidase inhibitors are a class of drugs that inhibit the activity of one or both monoamino oxidase enzymes, that are monoamine oxidase A and monoamine oxidase B. They are best known as highly efficacious antidepressants as well as effective therapeutic agent for panic disorders and social phobia. Next question, cinchona alkaloids used in cardiac arrhythmias is dash. Here correct answer, cinchona alkaloid used in cardiac arrhythmias is quinidine. Quinidine is a drug that coming under sodium channel blockers. Procainamide and disopyramidine are other examples of sodium channel blockers that are also used for the treatment of arrhythmias. Next question, a meiotic drug used in glaucoma. Here the correct answer, meiotic drug used in glaucoma is pilocarpine. Next question, digitalis used in dash. Here the correct answer, digitalis is used in the treatment of congestive cardiac failure. Action of digitalis glycoside increases the force of myocardial contraction, increases the cardiac output, increases the efficiency of heart, and decreases heart rate, decreases heart size, decreases systolic and diastolic pressure, decreases vasoconstriction, and decreases sympathetic nerve stimulation, and decreases venous congestion. Digoxin and digitoxin are digitalis glycoside that are used for the treatment of congestive heart failure. Digoxin is most commonly used digitalis glycoside for the treatment of congestive heart failure. Its specialty is rapid onset of action, short duration of action, therapeutic serum level is 0.5 to 2 nanogram per ml, elimination within 1 week, 80% of drug eliminated without any change through kidney. The another one is digitoxin. It has slow onset of action, long duration of action, therapeutic serum level is 10 to 35 nanogram per ml, elimination within 1 month, eliminated through hepatic metabolism. Next question, hormone used in bronchial asthma as bronchodilator is dash. Here the correct answer, adrenaline.